Assalamu alaikum. Okay, students. Today our topic is differentiation. Today's our topic is differentiation. Differentiation is a process, is a method by which we can find the derivative. Derivative is the rate of change of a function. Differentiation is a method by which we will find the derivative. And derivative is the rate of change of a function. Derivative is the rate of change of a function. कोई भी फंक्शन है उसका डेरिवेटिव हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे दैट मींस वी आर फाइंडिंग द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन so there are some methods, there are some formulae, some rules which will be used to find the derivative. Here I am writing the rules. If y is a constant function, y is a constant function, then its derivative dy upon dx will be equal to 0. dy upon dx is the derivative. dy upon dx means the derivative of y with respect to x. If the derivative of y with respect to x, dy upon dx means the derivative of y with respect to x. So derivative of a constant function always be 0. अगर कोई फंक्शन कांस्टेंट है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 होगा, because I told you derivative is the rate of change of a function. Derivative is the rate of change of a function. When a function is constant, it means it is not changing. There is no change in the function. जब चेंज नहीं है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव, उसका रेट ऑफ चेंज भी 0 होगा. When there is no change, its rate will be 0. The rate of change of the function always be 0 if it is a constant function. If it is a constant function, the rate of change of a function is 0. So derivative of a constant function always be 0. If y is equal to x raised to power n, y is a function of x and it is x raised to power n. So इसका derivative, the derivative of y dy upon dx will be equal to n x raised to power n minus 1. x की जो पावर होगी वो नीचे आ जाएगी. x will come over there. If we are taking the derivative of y, so x will come over there, sorry, n will come over there with x and one power will be less. The x, we will lessen the one power of x. जो power given है that will come over there, it will multiply with the x and one power will be less than the given power. So the derivative, this is the most important formula, x raised to power n, it will become n x raised to power n minus 1. It will become n x raised to power n minus 1. If y is a function of x and y is equal to x raised to power n, so derivative will become n x raised to power n minus 1. n x raised to power n minus 1. So these are the two important functions. The third, y is equal to ax raised to power n. Y is equal to ax raised to power n. So derivative of y, dy upon dx will become, a कांस्टेंट अपनी जगह रहेगा. अगर कांस्टेंट अकेला हो, if there is no x with constant, the derivative of y will become 0. If constant is associated with x, then the constant will remain as it is, and it will multiply with the derivative of x raised to power n. ये x raised to power n इसका derivative. So the constant will multiply with x raised to power n. It will become n x raised to power n minus 1. N a into n x raised to power n minus 1. So remember, if constant is separate, its derivative will be 0. If constant is associated with x, the function x, so constant will remain as it is, and we will multiply with the derivative of x raised to power n. It will multiply with the derivative of x raised to power n. So these are the main three formulae for the algebraic functions. For the algebraic function, derivative of the algebraic functions. Now we will do the exercise or derivative. I have told you the derivative is the rate of change of a function. Derivative is the rate of change of a function. If function is constant, the derivative will be 0. If function is x raised to power n, it will become n x raised to power n minus 1. It will become n x raised to power n minus 1. So now we will do the exercise. We have the exercise 6.1 on page 243. Exercise 6.1, page 243. Question number 2. Differentiate each of the following, giving your answer with positive indices. ये index n, x raised to power n, it may be positive, it may be negative, it may be fraction, rational number. So x may be x raised to power n, n may be positive number, n may be negative number, n may be the rational number. That means in fraction. So whatever it is, that number will multiply, will come over there down, and x raised to power will be, whatever be the n power, we will subtract 1 from this power. ये जो भी पावर है इसमें से हमने -1 करना होगा. अगर ये ऑलरेडी -2 है तो -2 यहाँ आ जाएगा और x की पावर -2 -1 यानी -3 हो जाएगी. अगर ये पॉजिटिव पावर है x raised to power 5, तो डेरिवेटिव विल बिकम 5 x raised to power 5 -1, so that is mean 4. तो 5 x raised to power 4 हो जाएगा. और अगर ये माइनस में है, -1 है सपोज, तो x raised to power -1, it will become -1 into x raised to power -1 -1. So it will become minus x raised to power -2. पॉजिटिव इंडेक्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो इसको नीचे ले आएंगे, -1 अपॉन x raised to power 2 हो जाएगा. इसी तरह अगर ये फ्रैक्शन में होगा, x raised to power 1/2, x raised to power 1/2, तो 1/2 नीचे आ जाएगा यहाँ, it will come over there, and x raised to power 1/2 -1. So 1/2 -1 पावर हो जाएगी -1/2. So 1/2 into x raised to power -1/2 इसका आंसर आ जाएगा. तो इस तरह ये n कुछ भी हो सकता है. It may be positive, it may be negative, it may be rational. That means in fraction. हमने वो जो भी पावर है उसको नीचे ले आना है और एक पावर उसमें से कम कर देनी है, -1 we have to do. We have to do -1. Okay. So we will do the exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Rabika. Okay, so we are doing exercise 6.1, question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Differentiate each of the following, giving your answer with positive indices only. Very simple questions. Exercise 6.1. This is page 243. Page 243, exercise 6.1, A part, question number 2. Y is equal to, A part, y is equal to x raised to power 5. So we have to differentiate. This is y is a function of x. Y is a function of x. So therefore, on differentiation, it will become dy upon dx. Dy upon dx will be the derivative of y or differentiation of this function, equal to this power 5 will come over there, 5, and x raised to power will become 5 minus 1. Power will become 1 lesser than the given. It will become 5x raised to power 4. This is the answer. 5x raised to power 4 is the answer. That was A part. Now B part. Y is equal to q raised to power 5.5. Y is equal to q raised to power 5.5. That means y is a function of q. Y is a function of q. Therefore, it will become derivative of y with respect to q. Dy upon dx means the derivative of y with respect to x. But here there is y depends upon q, not x. So it will become dy upon dq. Derivative will become dy upon dq. If it is capital Q, you will write capital Q. If it is small q, you will write small q. That depends upon the variable. Equal to 5.5 come over there. It will multiply with the function into q raised to power 5.5 minus 1. We have to subtract 1. Whatever be the power, we will write minus 1. It will become 5.5 q raised to power 4.5. This is the answer. The derivative of y with respect to q will become 5.5 into q raised to power 4.5. It is very easy. Kinza. Okay. So that was the B part. Now C part. Y is equal to 10 q raised to power 8. Y is equal to 10 q raised to power 8. C part. So derivative of y with respect to q, dy upon dx, sorry, dy upon dq, not dx. Y depends upon q. So dy upon dq is equal to 10 is constant. We will use the second formula, ax is to power n. It will become a. The 10 will remain as it is into the derivative of q raised to power 8. Derivative of q raised to power 8 will be 8 q raised to power 8 minus 1. Now simplify this one. 10 into 8 will be 80 and q raised to power 7. 80 into q raised to power 7 is the differentiation of y with respect to q. This is the derivative of y with respect to q. Now D part. Y is equal to 20. This is constant. There is no variable. So derivative y dash dq dy upon dx can also be written y dash. तो हम इसको y dash में लिख सकते हैं और dy upon dx. The derivative of a constant function will be 0. If the function is constant, अगर function constant होगा तो उसका derivative 0 होगा. इसमें कोई variable नहीं है. जब variable नहीं है तो उसका derivative 0 हो जाएगा. So derivative of a constant function always be 0. ये 20 होता, minus 20 होता, 1 upon 20 होता, 7 upon 20 होता, अंडर रूट 5 होता, अंडर रूट 7 होता, अंडर रूट 20 होता, यानी इसमें वेरिएबल ना होता तो इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाता. कोई भी कांस्टेंट हो उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाएगा. ये नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, ये पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, ये रैशनल भी हो सकता है, ये इरैशनल भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, so in this way we will do the derivative. Now we will do the G part. G part of the same question. G part of the same question. बाकी हमने D तक किया, E, F, B उसी टाइप के हैं तो हम G कर रहे हैं. We are doing the G part. C is equal to 10 minus 2 y raised to power minus 0.7. C is equal to 10 minus 2 y raised to power minus 0.7. Now here you can see C is a function of y. Here you can see C is a function of y. So that means C depends upon y. So the derivative, the differentiation will be dc upon dy. C depends upon y. So C is a function of y. Therefore, the derivative will become dc upon dy. dc upon dy, because C is a function of y, equal to 10 is constant, it is not associated with y. इसके साथ कोई y लगा हुआ नहीं है, ये y से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं हो रहा, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाएगा. The derivative of the constant will be 0 minus. Now we have to take the derivative of minus 2 y raised to power minus 0.7. So minus, तो अपनी जगह लिख दिया, 2 है constant, 2 will be written as it is. Now it will be multiplied with the derivative of y raised to power minus 0.7. So इसका derivative, the power will come over there, minus 0.7 into y raised to power minus 0.7 minus 1. एक power कम कर देंगे, we will lessen one power from this one. We will lessen one power from the given power. It may be negative, it may be positive, whatever it is, we have to write minus 1. But simple. This is the simple way. We have to write minus 1 with the power. This power will come over there, and then we will write minus 1 power. Now it will become 0 minus this one will remain as it is. Minus 2 into minus 0.7. It minus minus plus, it will become 1.4. And y raised to power minus 0.7 minus 1, it will become minus 1.7. It will become minus 1.7. Acha, it is given that the answer should be in positive indices. It is negative. ये नेगेटिव इंडेक्स में आंसर आ रहा है, तो उसको नीचे ले जाएंगे. इट विल बिकम dc अपॉन dy. 1.4 ऊपर रहेगा, इसकी पावर 1 है, पॉजिटिव है, अपॉन इसकी पावर नेगेटिव, इट विल कम डाउन 1.7. 1.4 upon y raised to power 1.7. This is the answer of G part. Sabah Ghafoor. So this is the answer. C is equal to 10 minus 2 y raised to power minus 0.7. So 10 separate hai. It is being added or subtracted from the function. C is 10 is not associated with y. जैसे कि पिछला जो था वो y के साथ associated था, इसमें y नहीं है, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाएगा. The differentiation of 10 will become 0. अब इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है, ये 2 जो है y के साथ एसोसिएटेड है, तो 2 will be written as it is, माइनस साइन अपनी जगह, 2 is written as it is, and it will be multiplied with the derivative of y raised to power minus 0.7. And what will be the derivative of y raised to power minus 0.7? So minus 0.7 नीचे आ जाएगा, it will multiplied with y raised to power minus 0.7 minus 1. हर एक में हमने minus 1 करना है. तो 0 तो खत्म हो गया, 0 को ऐड करेंगे किसी भी चीज में तो वो चीज एज इट इज रहेगी. If 0 will be added or 0 will be subtracted from anything, that number will remain as it is. That term will remain as it is. तो ये as it is रहा. -2 इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, -0.7 से माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. 2 into 0.7 will become 1.4. 2 into 0.7 will be 1.4 into y raised to power minus 0.7 minus 1, it will become minus 1.7. Both are negative, so both will be added. They will add it together. It will become minus 1.7. So 1.4 y raised to power minus 1.7. It is said, it is told in the question, our answer should be in positive indices. So इसको हम पॉजिटिव में कर लेंगे. नेगेटिव इंडेक्स है, this is the negative index, it will be changed into the power positive index. How? If we shift this number down as a denominator, ये denominator हो जाएगा तो ये positive हो जाएगा. So this is the final answer. dc upon dy is equal to 1.4 upon y raised to power 1.7. Now who came? Maryam Noor. Muhammad Hizam. Okay. So this is the way how to find the derivative or how to differentiate. That was question number 2. Now we will do question number 3. Differentiate each of the following, giving your answer with positive indices only. इसमें भी positive indices में लिखना है, हमने इसको differentiate करना है. So we will do question number 3. Question number 3. The A part. Y is equal to 1 over x raised to power 2. अगर फंक्शन नीचे है डिनोमिनेटर तो इसको ऊपर ले जाएंगे, देन वी विल बी एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट इट, अदरवाइज वी आर नॉट एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट इट. We have to simplify, it will go upside, it will become y is equal to x raised to power 1 into x raised to power minus 2. So it will become x raised to power minus 2. Now we are able to differentiate it. 1 अपॉन की सूरत में हम डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते. कांस्टेंट है तो वो एज इट इज रहेगा. ये तो फंक्शन है, फंक्शन अगर अपॉन में है तो इसको डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते, इसको ऊपर ले जाएंगे, इसको ऊपर ले जाएंगे. तो हम इसको ऊपर ले गए. नाउ dy upon dx, y is a function of x, dy upon dx will become minus 2, नीचे आ गया, x is to power minus 2 और minus 1 कर देंगे, it will become minus 3. So it will become minus 2 x is to power minus 3. ये अब नेगेटिव इंडेक्स से इसको नीचे लाना है. So dy upon dx will become minus 2 एज इट इज रहा, ऊपर रहेगा, इसकी पावर 1 है, इसकी पावर पॉजिटिव 1 है तो ये नीचे नहीं आएगा, इसकी पावर नेगेटिव है, ये नीचे आ जाएगा x raised to power 3. So minus 2 upon x raised to power 3 is the answer. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, शाहजेब नेमत